Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable angle snapping on the Endgame Gear OP1 mouse. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Endgame Gear app and then make sure that the mouse has been detected by the app. Then the next thing that we're going to do is go to the right and find the angle snapping option. So this is the option. And here you have the toggle to enable or disable the option. And basically what angle snapping does is when it's enabled, it's going to smooth out the X and Y axis motions of your mouse, so they are like smoother, there's no like wiggle like that. And that might help if you're like doing office work, but I wouldn't really recommend it for gaming. But that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.